When I rap, I don't use the backup tracks. Oh, y'all can't hear me now? Do you hear me? Why y'all can't hear me? Oh, God. Let me... Hey, guys. Hurry up and come back. I only have 2 minutes. So that I can make sure I tell you guys this. Before I fly off in the Sri Lanka. Okay. What I was going to tell y'all is please make sure you spread the word around. When I perform, I do not perform with that backing track. So I just watched it back and sweetheart, let me tell you something. Hi, Dochi. It looks like my vocals were in every song, which is gross. You know, I never. But I will do anything. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. That was talking about Lil Wayne. But the sound situation was unacceptable. And I apologize, even though I was just a special guest. I apologize because you know what? Fuck that. But you guys could hear my voice through it. But there was a big mix-up between our sound crew and Lil Wayne's sound crew. And that was not acceptable. So, but shout out to all the dope people that were there and all of that stuff. And I will post the stuff that y'all want to see shortly, like later. But yeah, that I don't know why all of my vocals were in all of the songs. I would never perform that way. That is not on my caliber. So, all right, love you guys. Get some rest. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.